मैं आज आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ कि आप घर पर ही होममेड ट्राइसेप कैसे कर सकते हैं। ये आप देख रहे हैं, ये पार्ट होता है बॉडी पार्ट, दैट इज कॉल्ड ट्राइसेप, दैट इज कॉल्ड बाइसेप, दैट इज कॉल्ड चेस्ट, एब्स, ओके, calf and thigh, okay, and that is called back. So we are doing today tricep exercise. So I'm going to do today tell you how to do tricep exercise. We are doing first exercise of diamond push-up. So diamond means like your hand should be like that one, okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. सेकेंड एक्सरसाइज हम करने जा रहे हैं स्टैंडर्ड पुशअप, जो आपको इसका पूरा ट्राइसेप देंगे. ओके, पुट योर हैंड लाइक दैट वन. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Guys, I'm going to tell you. Third exercise is bench press. Bench press tricep. अगर आपके पास में रोड नहीं है, you don't have the road, you can use the dumbbells. See, like that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly. Keep down. 17, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. एक्सरसाइज में बताने जा रहा हूँ आपको लाइन ट्राइसेप, जो आप लेट के यू कैन डू एट होम. Put your hand like that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Tricep is our head, single head tricep, like that one. Okay, we are going to do that one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, your head should then press up. Back tricep, we will do like that one. This one, back tricep, all should become like behind. Okay, both the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Next is seventh is the bench tricep. So if you don't have the bench, you can use like that one, or you can use the chairs of the both sides. That's on the chair. Now slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Next is pull and push tricep. I will show you how to do that one. Exercise is very important for your body part. Okay, put your weight like that one. Okay, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Exercise the back tricep. I will show you. Just take 2 bricks. Keep like that one. If you have the 4, put 2 to each side. Now you can see how we are going to do. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, no, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We have 9 exercises and you can make the triceps up at home. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. You can learn lots of the things from my channel. Thank you so much.